You double the pepper.
I'm already crying. But I will not disgrace my village people. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, we'll be doing a different thing. We'll be doing mukbang with noodles 4 by spicy. My friend challenged me. She's from Ghana. She challenged me because she has tried 1 by spicy and 2 by spicy, but couldn't finish it because she said that it is very spicy. And I told her that I can eat 4 by spicy without shaking. This girl said, for where? So today we will be going to the Asian shop to buy the 4 by spicy for me, and I buy 2 by spicy for her. That's the one she'll be eating. So we go to her house and prepare it, and we eat it, so you guys will be the judge. So let's see if I can finish the 4 by spicy without drinking water, and she will finish 2 by spicy without drinking water. So guys, I will introduce her later when we be eating the food. You will see her later. She won't try Igbo babe like me, African butter, Ada Biafra. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. So we'll be eating this. I couldn't find a 4 by spicy. We got only 2 by spicy, but what I'll be doing now, for my own, I'll be putting the second spice because I'll be eating only 1 pack. So I will take another spice from this one to make it 4 by spicy and put it here. And my friend will be eating only 2 by spicy. She's still challenging me that I can't finish the 4, that I can't even eat it because
now it will be like quadruple.
So let me introduce my friend to you guys. Say hello to my friends. Hello. And you see this beautiful fine damsel from Ghana. Her name is Nancy. She's the one challenging me. So guys, just stay tuned and you guys will be the judge. She will see for herself. African butter like me. As you can see, I have 2 different pots over here. One for my friend and one for me. So I will start adding the spices. And here we have egg here. So I'll be adding this onion, olive oil, and this is the spices. And this one is another spices. No, this one is the hot one, and this one is like herbs. So I will start adding it now. I will start with this. Add a little bit of onion. So we add this now. Just one here for my friend. Give it a stir. And I cover the pots. Then for my own, I'll be adding 2. The second one. 2 by spicy. So see you when it's done. Noodles is done. We are about to devour these noodles. My friend said this no be devour, but we are about to kill ourselves. So guys, watch out and see if we are about to kill ourselves or if we enjoy these noodles. Stay tuned. As you can see from the color, this one is a 4 by spicy and this is 2 by spicy, which my friend will be having. So guys, stay tuned and watch us enjoy this yummy noodles. We are outside now about to devour this food. I have a Pepsi here, but I will not be drinking this Pepsi till I finish eating my noodles. And my friend have milk here. She said that milk helps a lot when eating spicy food. And we have some tissue paper here. So my friend has already covered her face. She said that she wants, when eating the food and when she's crying, when tears is rolling down her eyes, nobody will see that she's crying. But I will make sure that I capture that moment. So guys, stay tuned. Let's devour this food.
That's good.
Amen. Wait for me. We are
going to kill ourselves.
So guys, let's get right into eating. Oh my days. Let me take thumbnail. Oh my days. It's not bad at all.
Josephine.
I love it.
Really? Josephine. Hey, I go do your hustle.
I'm enjoying it. You know?
When you finish it,
I told you I can finish this 4 by spicy. You said lie. Lie. I can't even taste it. It's not that it's not hot though. Oh my days. Then if you do like this, you'll be disqualified. Then
I'm already disqualified. They should be giving this food to prisoners.
It's not bad. Can I eat egg?
Just to balance the equation. Whoa. You double the pepper.
I'm already crying. But I will not disgrace my village people.
I told you so.
I will not disgrace my village people. I must finish this. Even if you bring another one, I eat it. No, I make Mona proud because Mona will get to see this video one day. And she will say, Mama,
Mama is crying.
Mama do a head. Then grotted do. I said, nah, I got it. My tongue is about to cut. But I must finish this food. Nobody send me.
The worst is after eating. In fact, yours, I can't even smell it.
I'm about to finish before you. See, upon I have 4 by spicy.
I'm not gonna kill myself.
This life, I can't kill myself. I can't kill myself. But I'm killing myself already.
Somebody wants to kill herself.
Oh, almost finished. I'm enjoying this food though. Seriously.
Really?
Seriously. But I don't like that it has sugar in it. I think the sauce is like it's not just spicy but a bit.
Can we take tissue?
A bit sugary. Tissue for what? Eh?
Wiping our nose?
No, you wipe your tears. You want to wipe that tears. Don't take tissue.
I don't cry. I just want to drink my milk, but
oh my days. I'm about to finish. I
have to speed up. Just when you are cheating, you are blowing.
Am I blowing with water? Am I blowing with drink?
Blowing.
I have not opened my drink. Oh. Don't mind this woman.
If you use air, you cheat.
Okay. I will not blowing. I will just be doing like this. This one na sound for another thing. Ah.
The neighbors will ask us, why are we doing? People start us, why are you doing?
They will not understand. Oh my days.
You're almost done. I have to speed up. Oh. Ghanaians, I'm doing this for you. Not be one anchor.
You are losing,
long time ago.
You are losing.
Because this
For my days. Okay, man. That's if you understand Nosh. If you understand Norwegian, you know what I said. Hello.
conference had. Spicy noodles conference. Yeah, who speaks a few gange? I see two gange. But
Til slutt så kjenner man jo ikke. Da blir man jo helt lam inni munnen.
ja, kom med til da. Og går opp konkurranse.
Dere har melk.
Hun har
Vi kan ikke drikke nå, men vi drikker etterpå, når vi er ferdig.
Drikker sånn mange liter etterpå.
Ja.
Bon appétit.
Takk.
Okay.
Almost done. Almost done.
Oh my God, you are finished.
There now. With 4 by spicy. No be 2. This two now. I just put it in my mouth once and for all. That's finished.
Even my own. After the issue.
Hope you have to be issue for me.
You can see if you go feel open your mouth again.
I open them. I don't go kiss someone today when I reach out.
Don't even use Frank.
Suckers. Now I can eat my egg gingerly. Oh my days. See,
I'm almost done too.
Fatty. I finished it, guys. I made you guys proud. Igbo butter like me, African butter. I did your jamba. I made you guys proud. I even want some more. See,
She's a liar.
Ghana people, they are still eating their own. Ghana people are still eating their own. See, I can now gingerly drink my Pepsi Mass. I won. I won, right, guys?
Drink the Pepsi Mass.
Be the judge.
It will be.
Be the judge.
Marco's best.
She said I was blowing my tongue. I was doing like this.
Yeah, she was cheating. She was
That I cheated. Guys, you guys will be the judge.
She
Don't
was
mind this girl.
cheating.
She covered her face so that we will not see the tears rolling down her eyes. Tell her to remove that thing.
I'll not cry now.
You are crying
I'll cry
already.
after the video.
My mouth right here. My lips here. It hurts.
I'm done.
Toast.
You made it.
We made it, guys. It's not easy.
Milk is better.
This one is okay for me.
It's made. Okay. I have to soak my lips in there.
Now it's gone. You still feel your own. Yes! We made it. We made it. We made it.
Hey. Try it. You might love it or hate it.
Yeah. Try this challenge, guys.
But I'll never try it.
I will still try it again. Now I tried 4
I
times.
will never try
the next
4
time I'll be trying 6 times or 8
Yes,
times.
yes.
Yes.
When she try 8 times, I'll try 4.
You sure?
Uh-huh.
You are in. You are in.
Yeah.
Okay.
All for Ghana.
We will bring it on. We still bring it on this channel.
So
guys, thanks for watching.
She's going to
if you are not yet a member of this channel, subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and share out this video.
I'm still not taking off my sunglasses.
See my friend?
I did.
See that tears?
I did not.
See that tears? Did you guys see?
Do my hair. I'm not crying.
She has cleaned it. She has
I'm not
cleaned it.
crying.
She cleaned it.
No, just feel jealous.
She cleaned it. She cried.
See, I tried. I ate the pepper. That spicy thing.
She cried, guys.
Now
but she has
we
cleaned
can
her
cry
face.
in peace.
We can cry inside. And the video is over. Bye. And see you in our next video.